Welcome everybody to the November 2014 Annuity Update Show right here on The Biz. My name's Eric Palmer. Thanks for joining us. Now, November is long-term care month, so we're going to take a look at some exciting products that relate to that subject. But first, I of course want to talk about market rates. I'm going to cover again some LTC annuities, look at a brand new index from Credit Suisse, and we're going to talk about a new opportunity to create some more incentive for yourself selling the 150 plus. But let's dig into these market rates, because this has always been a hot topic for me every single month, talking about where are we at with this 10-year Treasury. And as we look here in the month of November, we just closed the other day at 2.35% again. And if we look at a calendar year to date, we're down over 22% on the 10-year yield. Now, what does this mean for us as annuity producers? Well, at the end of the day, the 10-year Treasury note is what we're pricing these products off of. And when we see that we're down at such a significant level for the year, or on a one-year point-to-point over 10%, being down, that's something that we need to be alarmed about. Now, as producers, we're thinking to ourselves, when is this yield going to come up? When is the product going to get a little bit better? Well, if we look at all the economic data right now, we have to look and believe that the economic environment, the global economy, is not going to assist in allowing us to raise those interest rates anytime soon. And in fact, when I look at the average 10-year Treasury over this year, it's somewhere around 2.58%. Historically, that's the lowest we've ever seen, but if we look forward at the U.S. debt, what we're up against in the global markets, again, we're probably not going to see that rate change anytime soon. So when we're sitting down with our clients, we're talking about annuity products, we have to remind them that we're probably not going to see any significant change in these rates, which means our caps, our spreads, the components that make these indexes work are likely not to change anytime soon. So act now. That's the message that we wanted you to take away here from this particular bit of information. So the products as they stand now are the products that we got to sell. Don't let your clients sit on the fence and wait, because it's not going to change anytime soon. And when I look at this data here, what really stands out to me is that 5-year jumbo CD is still sitting at a 0.82% average rate of return. That's not going to help your client in that fixed, safe money environment. Again, that's what makes our annuity products so great, despite the fact that we see a low a cap or a potentially high spread on these products. So again, in honor of the long-term care month here for November, what I want to first do is talk about an LTC annuity. You've heard me talk about it before, but it's the Care, and that's from Forethought Life Insurance Company. And what makes this product so great is not only does it offer a 2 or 3 time multiplier for the long-term care pool of money, but there's a 0-day elimination period for home health care. Again, let me remind you of something. A lot of these products out there have an elimination period, which means that your clients might be in a position where they cannot actually trigger those benefits. 0-day elimination means that they can get access to those benefits right away, and the fact that it's for home health care is a big part of this. Now, sometimes these products come out and it confines you only to what happens in the nursing home. I have benefit, but I have to be in a nursing home in order to get access to it. With this product, you can have the nurse come to you, you can still create the benefit, get that paycheck out of this product, and make sure you're able to cover the care. Something else that I really like about this particular product as well is that the cost will never invade principal, which means, yes, there's a cost to these benefits, but no, it's not going to make you actually lose the principal inside your annuity. That's a really important part to be sharing with your clients out there, because nobody wants to lose any money. Now, one of the things I really like again about this product is that over 92% of these applications are getting approved. We've seen in the past that these long-term care annuities are tough to underwrite. With this particular product, we've created an efficient process to make sure that your applications are going through at least 92% of the time. Now, I'm going to jump around a little bit here. I want to jump into a new product. This is a new index strategy that we've actually seen come out here recently from Phoenix Life. And it's something that was brought out by Credit Suisse. We call it the CS Tactical Multi-Asset Index. And it's again available with Phoenix Life. And I'll talk here in a moment about what products you can find this on. But what really stands out to me is some of the unique traits here on this actual index. And when we have clients that are thinking accumulation, although the fact that we want them to buy into the safety and the income of these products, we have to show them something unique. And this is truly something unique that we've seen in this industry come out here very recently. We've got a couple of uncapped index, but this one stands out to me. We have 10 ETFs representing 4 different asset classes. We've got equities, fixed income, commodities, and real estate. But what's really nice about this is they not only offered on a 2-year point-to-point, but they also offered on a 1-year point-to-point. Now, you've heard me say it before throughout the year. Sometimes the longer point-to-point strategies, these 5-year resets or these 3-year resets, are something to be cautious about. I like the fact that Phoenix has come out with this strategy and they offer it on a 1-year point-to-point, and that's of course both available with a spread. Now again, we talked about what products are these available on. Well, as you can see, it's available on all the major income products. We've got the personal income annuity, personal protection choice, the personal retirement choice, and the index select gold bonus. So these are all the major products right now sold through Phoenix Life. You can add that index strategy in there with all of them. Of course, Phoenix being one of the highest payouts when it comes to the income guarantees and these guaranteed lifetime income benefit riders that we use. It's a great combination. It's a great two-punch combo for the clients that are looking for safety, income, and the ability to get a little bit of accumulation. Now, what I want to wrap up today talking about is the Forethought 150 Plus, but you've heard me talk about the features in this product all year long, and I'm going to remind you about some of those features, but what I really want to hone in on is the opportunity that Forethought is giving to you as the professional, as the agent that's going to promote this product to your clients. So of course, we've got the 50% income bonus in 5 years. They take 150% of those index interest credits, add it to the end on your income account value. That can really give it a boost after the year 10 for the income value. Of course, we have the Barclays Armor 2 index with 6 different asset classes. It's got a 3-year annual point-to-point. But again, I want to talk about what it does for you as the advisor. So if you take a look at here at the screen, we're going to see a couple of different levels of premium that you can hit that are going to increase that street level commission. You have the opportunity to earn as much as 2 extra percentage points on top of the street level commissions that are offered on this product. So if you do $750,000 of premium, they're going to give you an extra half a point or 50 basis points on the product. $1 million is going to get you 100 basis points. $2 million is at 150. And of course, if you hit that $3 million mark, again, 2 extra percent on top of the commission. So a great opportunity for your client to take advantage of one of the best products, again, I've seen hit the market in a very long time. But as you sell it, it's also going to incentivize and reward you as the advisor. So keep this in mind. There's a lot of different types of incentives like this built in the marketplace. But sometimes you have to do somewhere around $5 or $10 million even to get to that 1.5 or 2 point level. With Forethought, it's at $3 million and it's very attainable. So again, keep your eye out there for the Forethought 150 Plus. Take advantage of this opportunity and it'll help you grow your practice. So again, if you have any questions about the information I've covered in today's show, if you want to know more about that Credit Suisse index strategy, just write me. It's info@thebiz.tv, or you can go right to our website. It's www.thebiz.tv. I appreciate you joining us here for the month of November, and we'll see you next time.